Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to use one Google Pay account in two devices. First, make sure the Google Pay or Google Wallet app is installed on both phones. If it isn't, download it from the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you can get it from the Apple App Store. Next, tap the profile icon in the top right corner and select Payment Methods. Then tap Add Card and enter your card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify the card. Your bank may send a one-time SMS code or ask you to confirm the request through its mobile app. Now pick up your second phone and open Google Pay. Sign in using the exact same Google account. Go to Payment Methods, tap Add Card, and enter the same card information again to verify it on the second device. Keep in mind that most banks allow the same card to be added to multiple devices, often up to 9 or 10, but it's always a good idea to check your bank's policy to be sure. That's it. You can now use Google Pay with the same card on both phones. If you run into any problems, contact your bank support team or visit the Google Pay help section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.